Hi, I'm Benoit. I studied at École Normale Supérieure de Cachan. I'm a biochemist, and I did my PhD in Paris at Sorbonne University in neuroscience.
Hi, my name is Daria. I'm a visiting student here at Weizmann Institute at Ron Miller's lab, just like Benoit. And originally I'm from Russia. I was born in an industrial city, and then I moved to France to do my bachelor's and master's in synthetic biology in Paris. I grew up in the most polluted city in Russia. This is why I'm very interested in environmental issues, and I decided to do my master thesis in Ron Miller's lab, where we are trying to tackle these kind of problems.
I'm working on carbon fixation, which is the process of incorporation of carbon dioxide into living organisms like plants, algae, and many bacteria. And this process is made thanks to an enzyme called Rubisco. And in my research, I try to find the fastest Rubisco among the living world. And this fast Rubisco could help to improve carbon fixation and maybe to improve bioplastic production.
So we hope that our research can help to solve climate change. And if you want to learn more about this one enzyme against climate change, we invite you to the Café des Sciences, the 13th of September.